Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update Photoshop to enhance keyframes before import to Premiere step by step clearly. Open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. Ensure you're using the latest version of Photoshop for optimal performance. Locate the project file containing the keyframes you want to enhance. Open this file in Photoshop by navigating to File, then Open. Select the layer that contains the keyframes you wish to edit. Zoom in on the area where the keyframes are located for better visibility. Use the timeline window to view the keyframes. Click on each keyframe to select it individually. Adjust the timing of the keyframes by dragging them along the timeline. Use the Properties panel to modify attributes such as position, scale, and opacity. If necessary, apply any additional effects or filters to enhance your visuals. After making your adjustments, save your changes. Navigate to File, then Export, and select Render Video. In the render settings, choose the desired format and quality settings. Ensure the destination folder is set for easy access. Click on Render to export your enhanced keyframes. Once rendering is complete, open Adobe Premiere Pro. Create a new project or open an existing one where you want to import the video. Navigate to the media browser in Premiere. Locate your rendered video file and select it. Import the video file into your Premiere project by dragging it into the timeline. Now, your enhanced keyframes are ready for further editing in Premiere. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.